Mwanjo murigereri tugenderete nayo nigo omukagirwa oyomo oyure omurundia bwechikari cha Matatu anemonase para ya Kisii soteke liganya tukaba gosemaga yaye kororekana gagoita goteka kurwania omosibati omujure ngo mwapiria nigo gitambo kiriganya tukaba gekoimuki wasanya tukaba kubiara na goikwa bosio gwikigambiro lituko lia rero gagokwana lituko lia rero na bariki bamangana omo county police commander o Kisii Central Muzaki Mamai nigaboldia abarundi bonsi koba maiso na boigo gotwara amaskani na korogi tabichimbe kochia ase abapiria munago tumanyo mulikito diponi asanya.
Sekta ya matatu ngati yechi sekta chirichiganete gukinia ekerengo kyobonchirime yense ya Kenya. Egakore kyobosoku nigo kiaene kiwasa matukabwa ngoiga somusubati oyomo abakagutigirwa chingoma maiga yokororekana gwitana chimeme no murundi oyomo umatatu. Gukwana no sub county commander o Kisii Central Muzaki Mamai nigaerera obwagare bwegetambo kero kiengane yeiga.
We had a matatu carrying passengers which was proceeding to Kisii. Inside the Matatu was a scuffle. There was a scuffle inside the Matatu involving passengers, some of whom were making noise. So in that scuffle, I think the reaction of those who are inside, the passengers and the crew, the Matatu crew, was actually throwing off one of the passengers, a lady, out of the Matatu, and in the course of that action, I think that lady was injured.
Waziri boigo wechi para na boigo bosombi meye county ya Kisii Dr. Margaret Obaga boigo ararekana kugikiria egekoreke
ase engane yabete gaiga mwiso ese abiria akurutukurwe gali mebakorwana gali angebu na mwaibu yate ange na rugoro gali maili mbili ipale ya Keroka Sotik Road etogoteba engane eria etwanyikanete mono na mono goteba iga chigali cheitu chire para egasi yaye no kubugoria abiria buya na kubaikia kero monto buna sabwenete goike destination yaye
nonyera babanyanyimbo nigo bakoromokia gukwire getambo kerwango na komubeka byara umurundi oywe oyibono oikigwa ase kigambiro emambe ya rero.
As police, we acted immediately by taking action against the perpetrator of an assault an assault case that was reported to us. So we got the person who was involved. He was a Matatu driver, and we got him into our custody, and going through the due process of law, we have arraigned him to court this morning.
Ngukwana no muteneri wekiombe kia NTSA imeye county ya Kisii.
NTSA has the technical support that we give to the National Police Service during the criminal justice system. We were able to give our inspection status of the same motor vehicle, and upon inspection we established that the vehicle was operating with a faulty speed limiter, which is against the standards that is set KS 2295 of 2018.
Abarundi para nigo bono baboligwe kubwatia amachiko na boigo gutika koira igetambokero asama okabo
kurende kerora nyolenga abiria naro ubwata manganaye na bokorori na ingia ya maskani yokomo gukwana nere elinde ntonyale koleta insecurity ase abantu para kwa mfano eso buno mwana uri umwise korenge kororekane se clip kelikiale koregwetara around ase social media umwana hani arubusa onye yangatabwati.
So desist from taking actions within their hand and inflicting pain and suffering to the passengers that are their clients and customers. We will be able to reach out to the specific circle for internal administration as the regulator NTSA in liaison with our headquarters and with the National Police Service, so that at least they are accountable and responsible to their actions.
Ingana bono yabwatokege kurire gitindi chia sabanto bonsi.
And we want to give a warning to all operators of the PSV that they should be courteous and have customer service when they are discharging their services to the wananchi. And I want to also urge the wananchi to take initiative to report incidences. It was very encouraging that this thing was amplified by different players, so that it brought to the attention of the authorities.
Kuripoteria gataseni kiao nambe ya mokia Getembe kure gase kaunti ya Kisii ilitera na inkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.